Hey, it's me, Wyatt, and I'll be providing some nutritional information for your veggie smash meal tonight. Starting with the ingredients, your cauliflower is a low-calorie vegetable packed with vitamins and minerals. Cauliflower is a great source of vitamin C, K, and folate. Cauliflower is fat and cholesterol-free. Rutabaga is a nutrient-rich vegetable, low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Rutabaga is also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. You have tomatoes, which are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Your celery is low-calorie vegetable as well, high in water and fiber. Celery is a good source of vitamins K, A, C, folate, and potassium. You also have carrots, which are low in calories, high in vitamin A, K, potassium, and fiber. And lastly, you have beef, which is a great source of protein, essential amino acids, iron, zinc, and B vitamins. This meal is a super healthy meal containing only fruits, vegetables, and meat. So I hope you enjoy and have a great night. Thank you.